Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap NEXO tokens for other cryptocurrencies. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to swap NEXO tokens for other cryptocurrencies using the NEXO mobile app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your NEXO account. Open the NEXO mobile app and log in using your email address and your password if prompted. From the home screen, head over to the bottom of the screen where you have Dashboard, Wallet, Markets, Card, and Exchange. Click on the exchange option, and once you do that, you're provided with a couple of features, which include swap, target price swap, futures booster, crypto bundles, and more. And that's the last. Now select swap. Once you click on swap, okay, it's going to take you to, you can choose swap or target swap. It's going to take you to the exchange section. Now in the exchange section, look at NEXO tokens from your wallet. I'll not be able to proceed with this because I have not verified my identification. But if you have, then proceed with what I'm going to tell you. In the exchange section, locate NEXO tokens from your wallet. You can either find it in your asset list or search for it directly. Select the cryptocurrency you want to swap your NEXO tokens for. This could be any supported crypto available on the platform, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Then specify the amount of NEXO tokens you want to swap. The app will display the equivalent amount in the selected cryptocurrency. Check the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the total amount of the new cryptocurrency you receive before proceeding. Once you've verified all details, tap Confirm to initiate the swap. If you're enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app to confirm the transaction. If you used any other 2FA, you'll be prompted to verify. The swap should complete within moments, and then you will receive a notification confirming that the transaction was successful. After the swap is completed, navigate to your wallet section in the app to confirm that the new cryptocurrency is reflected in your account balance. By following the steps, you can successfully swap NEXO tokens for other currencies on the NEXO platform, allowing you to diversify your crypto holdings as needed. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.